Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Back up your iPhone so you can undo anything if needed. Next, power off and clean the home button and your finger. Oil, dirt, or moisture stops a sensor from reading. Once done, go to Settings, open Touch ID and passcode, delete existing fingerprints, and re-add one. You do this because Touch ID pairs a capacitive reading with software calibration. Removing old data forces a fresh scan and often fixes recognition without hardware work. Once you've re-added fingerprints, update iOS. Apple often ships sensor and biometric fixes with software updates, so make sure to install the latest version. If issues continue, reset all settings. This clears system preferences that might interfere with Touch ID but preserves your data. When you rescan prints, enroll the same finger with varied angles and edges. That enlarges the recognition map. You do this to improve matching tolerance. More sample points raise reliability in everyday use. Finish by checking the home button visually. Physical damage or a loosely seated connector often causes failure, and you can't fix that in software. If software steps failed, restore the device as new via iTunes to rule out corrupt system files. Remember your backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if Touch ID never returns, don't replace the home button yourself. The fingerprint sensor is paired to the original logic board. Contact Apple or an authorized repair to preserve Touch ID functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.